Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. In this video, I'll be covering the reversible drum vac system and the high lift reversible drum vac systems. The only difference between these two systems is the vacuum pump and the length of the 1.5 inch vacuum hose. The pneumatic pumps are the exact same size, but the high lift has a much higher vacuum level. And the 1.5 inch vacuum hose is 20 foot long versus 10 foot long. But both of these systems come in the exact same package size. Now, let's look inside. So I have right here is the model 6396-30, the 30-gallon size. And as you see, it has 3 components, and I'm going to go through each one, opening the box. We have the 9041-30, the 6901 spill recovery kit, and the 901129-30 for the drum and all the components. For the drum dolly, model 9041-30, I will open it up, and there will be some assembly required. Bring the bolt up through, add the washer, and then the lock nut. Tighten all 4 down for each caster. For the spill recovery kit, the 6901, we'll just go ahead and open up the box. And what we have in here are 2 pieces, the actual wand itself and then the head of the vacuum here. These connected parts here will actually screw together. Loosen this up, place that in there, and tighten it, hand tighten it. Do not use a wrench, and then it will swivel. So I already removed the drum from the box. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. First, lift the safety latch. Open up the lever, the side latch. Now go ahead and open up the drum. You're going to have to be kind of careful because there is a standpoint. And what we're going to do is, as you see, this is the 6091 box. It has all the remaining components inside. And we have the hose. All right, let's take a look inside the box. Now here we have the remaining components for the drum vac. We have the 6091. This is the pump. We have the hose. We'll have the tool holder, which go on the outside of the drum. And we have the heavy-duty tools. Then we have the male and female of the quick lever to connect the hose to the drum. But we'll go ahead and assemble this together. like this.
7 by 7 by 5.
For this, we should put the valve on there. Now, of course, I recommend to put a gauge on this as well, just in case you do have any issues. It's easy to speak with somebody. This will go into the top of the standpipe. This thing goes onto the hose, and then this will go onto here. Attach the compressed air to it. That's going to be dry and filtered, and you have an operational reversible drum vac system.